Hello gardening enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the delicious world of fruit gardens, a place where nature's bounty meets your backyard. If you have ever dreamt of harvesting your own juicy fruits right at home, you are in for a treat. From vibrant orchids to the compact berry patches, we have got a variety of fruit garden ideas to inspire your green thumb. Let's get started. Our first fruit garden idea takes you into the realm of backyard orchids. Imagine stepping outside your door to find a diverse collection of fruit bearing trees, from apple and pear to cherry and plum. These orchards not only provide a beautiful landscape but also a feast of fresh, homegrown fruits for you and your loved ones. Next up, let's explore the delightful world of berry gardens. Create a dedicated space for strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and more. These compact yet productive patches can be both visually appealing and rewarding, offering a constant supply of antioxidant rich treats. If you are a fan of zesty flavors, our citrus fruits groove inspiration might be perfect for you. Imagine the vibrant colors and fragrant aromas of lemon, orange, and lime trees gracing your garden. Citrus trees not only provide delicious fruits but also add a touch of Mediterranean charm to your outdoor space. Embrace a touch of rustic elegance with a trellised vineyard garden. Grow grapes on beautifully designed trellises, creating a serene ambience reminiscent of vineyards in the countryside. The vines offer both shade and an abundance of grapes for indulgent snacking or winemaking. Short on space? No problem. Our next idea showcases the beauty of dwarf fruit trees. These petite yet productive trees are ideal for smaller gardens, patios, and even balconies. From mini apple trees to compact peach trees, you can enjoy the luxury of homegrown fruits on no matter your garden size. Elevate your fruit garden's aesthetic with a treat of espalier, trained fruit trees to grow along a wall of fence in intricate patterns, turning your garden into a living masterpiece. This technique not only saves space but also adds a touch of elegance and charm to your outdoor heaven. Looking for low maintenance options? Perennial berry bushes are your answers. Plants like blackberries, currants, and gooseberries require minimal care while providing you with a yearly harvest of delectable berries. And there you have it, a tour of captivating fruit garden ideas that promises not only the joys of gardening but also delicious rewards of fresh homegrown fruits. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these ideas offer something for everyone to savor. If these fruit garden ideas have your mouth watering, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more garden inspiration, and share your own fruit garden experience in the comments below. Until the next time, happy gardening and may your harvest be as sweet as nature intended. Happy gardening until the next time.